Ever thought of ending your day in Montreal with a plate of the city's finest poutine? Picture this. You've spent a fulfilling day exploring the vibrant city of Montreal. And now, as the evening descends, you find yourself at La Banquise. It's a famous eatery, known far and wide for its incredible poutine. The magic of La Banquise isn't just about the food, it's about the experience. You're surrounded by the chatter of friendly locales, the atmosphere alive with the hum of a city that never truly sleeps. And the poutine, it's like nothing you've ever tasted before. With over 30 varieties to choose from, every plate is a culinary adventure. You could opt for the classic, or maybe try something a little different, like the T-Rex loaded with meat or the kamikaze with hot peppers. So, there you have it, a perfect ending to your day in Montreal with a plate of La Banquise's finest poutine. Before indulging in art and culture, how about treating your taste buds at Schwartz's Deli? Ah, Schwartz's, a culinary institution that has been serving up Montreal's most famous smoked meat sandwiches for nearly a century now. This deli has a charm that transcends time, with its bustling atmosphere that's always teeming with locals and tourists alike, all eager for a bite of the iconic sandwich. Now let's talk about their smoked meat. It's a symphony of flavors, a perfect harmony of tender, juicy meat, expertly spiced and smoked to perfection. Each bite is a testament to the years of tradition and expertise that goes into its preparation. And it's not just about the sandwiches. The history of Schwartz's is as rich as the flavors it serves. Founded in the 1920s by a Romanian immigrant, it has since become an integral part of Montreal's cultural fabric. A lunch at Schwartz's Deli is a culinary delight not to be missed. But where to start your day in Montreal? Well, there's no better place than the Montreal Biodome, a beacon of scientific discovery and fascination. As the morning sun rises, the Biodome comes to life, offering a unique experience that's both enlightening and entertaining. Here, 4 distinct ecosystems coexist under one roof, each a testament to the planet's incredible biodiversity. From the lush tropical rainforest to the cool Arctic polar regions, you're not just observing, you're immersing yourself in the wonders of nature. This isn't a regular museum where you merely look and learn. Here, you experience. You feel the humid heat of the rainforest, hear the lively chatter of the monkeys, and see the exotic colors of the toucans. You witness the grace of the lynx in the Laurentian maple forest, and feel the chill of the polar area, home to playful penguins. Interactive exhibits further enrich your experience, making every visit a new adventure. The Montreal Biodome, a perfect start to your day in Montreal. Planning your first visit to Montreal? Well, buckle up because we're about to dive into some essential tips that will make your journey smoother and more enjoyable. First up, transportation. Montreal is a city that's easy to navigate thanks to its efficient public transit system. The STM, Montreal's Public Transit Authority, offers buses and metro services that cover the entire city. A 3-day unlimited travel card is a great option for tourists. If you prefer a more personal mode of transport, consider renting a Bixi bike or hail a taxi for short distances. Next, let's talk money. Canadian dollars are the currency here, and you'll find plenty of ATMs around the city. For currency exchange, the best rates are often found at the banks. But for convenience, you can also exchange at the airport or at your hotel. Language can sometimes be a hurdle, but not in Montreal. While French is the official language, most Montrealers are bilingual and speak English fluently. So feel free to converse in English, but a friendly bonjour or merci will definitely earn you some smiles. Now onto cultural etiquette. Montrealers are known for their friendliness and politeness. When entering shops or restaurants, a simple greeting goes a long way. Tipping is customary here, so remember to leave about 15 to 20% at restaurants. Montreal is a city that loves its festivals, so check out the local calendar for any events happening during your visit. And for the little ones, the Montreal Biodome, Insectarium, and the Science Center are sure to keep them entertained. And finally, don't forget to savor the local cuisine. From poutine at La Banquise to smoked meat sandwiches at Schwartz's Deli, your taste buds are in for a treat. With these tips in hand, you're now ready to explore Montreal like a pro.